Okay, this is a beach right here, and it's a weekday. It's Wednesday, Thursday, sorry, but it's straight ahead. But we're gonna take a trail, and we're also gonna talk about these kind of houses over here too. So okay, that'll be next. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So first we'll talk about these houses. So there's a whole row of all these little houses like this, and they look like little tiny mansions, more or less. Pretty cool looking. And they overlook this beautiful bay, I guess you'd call it a bay, and this beach. This is called Hác-Sá beach, black sand beach, if you translate that into English. So we're just going to explore this trail over here. And this trail, the beach, I have filmed it and I've walked a few times and shown that, so you can always look at that in past videos. But over here, actually if you can see over there, I think these are islands that are in Hong Kong. But we're going to be walking down this pretty cool little trail in a minute. There's some of those houses again. And let's get a taste for it. I guess we'll walk towards the ocean. And just so you can get an idea of exactly where we are, I'll do the street sign. Hua de Hác-Sá Long Chao Kok. Long Chao Kok is the name of this trail that we're going to take. And it's pretty amazing actually. Like once you see it, you're going to think, oh man, like I can't believe I didn't know that Macau had something that looks like a national park almost. It's really beautiful. You can kind of see a little taste of it now, and then as soon as we get around this tree right here, it'll look like a John Wayne movie. There it is right there. All right. So this is this little trail. You can walk into this trail for, I don't know, maybe not quite a kilometer maybe. And let's just take a look at this map here so you can get a sense for everything. So I guess we're here. And this is that whole thing that overlooked the beach. So we were over here looking at the beach. Then you can take this trail all the way over there. So I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a, I don't know, maybe a kilometer, maybe less. And Hác-Sá Long Chao Kok Coastal Trail. Dragon Claw Rock, Rock of the Heavenly Peach, Dragon Claw Terrace. You can read that if you want. Okay. So it's a pretty nice trail. I mean, you have this nice little thing to the left, you know, guardrail kind of thing. Not many people either. It's surprisingly not many people know about it. The first time I came here, I was really in shock. I was like, man, this looks like something that you'd see in a National Graphic magazine, like a national park. Yeah, it just kind of follows the trail, and that water comes in really beautifully too, doesn't it? Man, amazing. It's funny, you can see like a little red plastic bag up there. Somebody must have climbed up there with as a couple and left their trash up there for some reason. Strictly prohibited to climb here. I see people climbing here all the time. I see people go in here and they climb into this thing. There's like a plastic bottle that's pretty high up there. It looks like somebody definitely intentionally left it at that spot. I do see people who come here and go fishing, climb down on the rocks, but I'm sure there's a reason for them to have that sign there. There's like nobody around today either. the sun is a little bit against me. I kind of feel like this would be the more spectacular view. I might do a second video later, and I'll just do I'll do one coming back where the sun is like to my back, and then you can kind of see it from a different perspective. And actually out here there's we're gonna walk a little bit to this kind of a pagoda looking thing. It's not really a pagoda, but it's like a little thing out in the water. So we'll take the camera to that spot, and then I'll probably end this film so it stays underneath. I try to keep it around 8 minutes if I can. Then I'll just do another video later, coming back this way with the sun against my back. You see I have to kind of go down these steps a little bit. Yeah, there's nobody out here today. Actually, sometimes, you know, I wish that they would promote this kind of stuff and just say like, hey, you know, Macau is more than just casinos. You have these beautiful coastal trail like this. Like sometimes I think, oh man, that would be, they should really do that. Then other times I realize that if they did that, you'd have so many tourists out here as kind of their, so these, okay, Camel Rock. So that must be Camel Rock right there. Okay, now we kind of have it nice because now we're in the shade a little bit. But yeah, I feel like if people knew about this, maybe every tourist you can imagine would come out here. You know, they'd go to the casino and might, you know, because I never see this on the tourist things for Macau. It's usually Macau Tower, the casinos, of course, maybe Ama Temple, which is usually pretty crowded with tourists. Definitely Macau Tower is as well. Definitely the casinos are extremely crowded. Sao Paulo ruins. You can't even get anywhere near Sao Paulo ruins when the tourists are here. I mean, you can, as a local, you can follow the back trails, but in general, it's kind of a mess to try to go there. If you follow the most beautiful way to get to Sao Paulo ruins, it's just massive shoulder-to-shoulder people, and you're just like, it's like coming out of a concert. That's the only way I can really describe it. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. I think I just have my camera might be in not a panoramic view. Yeah, it's pretty nice though. So we're gonna keep on going down, and I might do my second video. Maybe I'll give it a title, some kind of title. So this will be about the trail, and then the other one would be the natural beauty that's found in Macau. So I'll label it a little bit differently, and then some people might find this trail specifically, and other people can find another video, but it'll just be you know, just how beautiful it is out in this trail. Two different videos, of course. And now we have the beautiful, how beautiful this trail is. So we can head all the way out here. So it's kind of like, looks like a little... Okay, here we are at the end of the trail. So yeah, it's some kind of, I guess it is a pagoda. It has Chinese characters right there. Let's zoom right in on that. Right there. And then once you get out here, you have this amazing view, right? So this is the one that we just came from. And that, how beautiful that trail is. And then we also have this one where we just came from just now. Then we have this one. So I hope you like that. So this is just kind of a taste. I just went out there, you know, I don't know, a third of the way. There's more you can definitely follow. Anyways, I'm gonna end this one, and then we'll create another one and just kind of talk about the beauty of this area.